It was a rainy day, and the mango tree stood quietly in the courtyard.
Hi friends, I'm Raika. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.